Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and I have another Try This Tuesday for you. If you're having trouble holding your legs up for your 100 or teaser, anything like that, this is a really fun thing to do. A lot of people think your legs should just be 2 inches off the ground, and that is something, right? Some people can do that. When I do it, I'm totally cheating. My legs need to be a little higher up to be in my center. But if I go too high, then I'm out of my center again. And so some people are like, but I can't get lower than too high because then I feel it in my back. So you grab a magic circle. I like the height of it. You put your ankles on it and you lie on your back. Now, the weight of my legs is kind of pressing down into the circle, so I'm going to try to hold on to my legs a little bit myself and then lift my head and chest up. So I'm trying to keep the magic circle somewhat of a circle, and I can do my 100 here. And I try not to bounce the circle at all. And so in trying to not bounce the circle and keep it a magic circle, I can feel more of my center holding my legs up. And so then one day, it doesn't matter, I can go right there. I could just take my legs to there. I could roll up to my teaser and leave my legs there, right? So there's a lot more options that I have once I learn where I'm holding my legs from. So give it a try, right? You may have to use the magic circle for your 100 and your teaser for several times before your body's like, oh, I get it. Oh, I can hold on to this now. And then another thing to try on this Tuesday is that it's possible. Sometimes we just tell ourselves we can't do something, and so of course our brain says you can't do it. Why would your body try to prove you wrong? So you have complete control over your mind, and your body will listen to what that says. So if you do this and you're like, okay, this is going to help me figure out how you can hold your own self up because you're capable, over time your legs are just going to float right up. You're going to feel your whole body connected, and it's going to change your Pilates practice, which in turn will make your whole freaking life more fun, right? You'll have so much more strength. You'll be amazed at what you can do. And that's why we do Pilates. It just makes our life a whole lot better. So if you give this a try, post it on your Instagram, tag me at Lesley, Lesley.Logan, so I can see what you're up to. If there's something in Pilates or your life that you're like, I just don't get it, can't freaking do this, put it in the comments below so I can find an exercise tip for you and put it in one of our Try This Tuesdays. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.